Hello, everyone, and welcome back again to our channel, Tutoring Made Easy. I hope each and every one of you is doing well. Remember, the goal of this channel is to make our tutoring very easy and enjoyable. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, we would like you to do us this great favor by subscribing. This way, we can grow this family channel together. And also, if you've already subscribed, we want to say a thank you to you for helping support this channel. On the other hand, if you have specific tutoring topics on math, probability, statistics, physics, chemistry, biology, data science, economics, finance, accounting, please feel free and drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be more than willing to do that just for you. In today's video, we'll be looking at probability, and specifically the topic, the deck of cards experiment. Yes, remember we talked about probability, and that probability involves a lot of experiment or trials, and these experiment and trials have what we call outcomes, and as a result we are able to find the probability of events. Today we are going to look at the experiment that relates to a deck of cards, and when we're going to look at the possible outcomes from that trial, and to possibly do some kind of probability events that arise from this experiment. You remember that a deck of cards is made up of 52 cards. A deck of cards has 52 cards. So pretty much you can have what we call the heart, the heart card, the hearts. We can also have what we call the diamond, right? We can have the diamond cards, the diamonds. Yes. We can also possibly have the black cards, which is a spade. So you have something like this. You have a spade, which is a spade, and then we have the last one, which is a club. So something like this, like a club, the club. I know my drawing looks a bit funny, but we're going to take it as is. So here, the hearts, they are red cards. It's a red card, and it's also made up of 13 cards. So there are 13 cards of the hearts. So you have what they call the ace card, the card that has like an A on it. You have the king card. You have the queen card. You see the queen drawn on it. You have like the jack card. You have the number 10. You have 9. You have 8. You have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2 cards. Then we also have the diamond cards. They are also red cards. They are red cards. So it's a red card. It's also made up of 13 cards. And it also has an ace card, a king, a queen. It has a jack. It has a 10, a 9, an 8, 7, a 6, a 5, 4, 3, and 2. On the other hand, when we take the spade cards, they are usually block cards. It's like a block card, and it's also made up of 13 cards, same as it has an ace, it has a king, it has a queen, it has a jack, it has a 10, a 9, an 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And then finally, we have the club cards. It's also a black card, and it also has 13 cards. There's an ace, there's a king, there's a queen, there's a jack, there's a 10, a 9, an 8, a 7, a 6, a 5, a 4, a 3, and a 2. Beautifully done. But now our interest is going to shift a little bit. So these are the outcomes. There are 52. If you look at 15 plus 15 plus, if you look at 13 plus 13 plus 13. You're going to get what? 52 cards. Now, a question can be asked. What is the probability of drawing a heart? What's the probability that when you put your hand in the card and you bring it out, you might get a heart? So remember the formula. It is the number of hearts divided by the total outcomes. The total outcomes. So it's going to be equal to the number of hearts in this whole 52. Sorry, in this whole 52 cards. It's basically 13. 13 hard cards. And then we divide it by the total outcomes, which is 52. There you have it. So the probability of drawing a heart is 13 over 52. And let's look at maybe the probability. Yes, let's look at the probability of drawing, let's say, a red card. Of drawing a red card. The probability of drawing a red card is the number of red cards divided by the total outcomes. Now we know that the number of red cards, we have two of them. We have the hearts and we have the diamonds, and each of them is 13 and 13. So that's 26 possible red cards. So the number of red cards is 26. We have 26 red cards in the deck, all divided by the total, which is 52. So basically this is equal to half. So 26 will go here one, goes into 52 two times. Okay. Now let's imagine we're also being asked to draw the probability of a diamond, for example. Probability of a diamond is going to be how many diamonds are there in the cards? We only have 13 diamonds. So it's going to be 13 diamonds divided by the total cards, which is 52. Yes, which is 52. I hope this kind of helps. Let's say that we're also being asked to find the probability of drawing a black card. Let me write it here. The probability of drawing a spade. The number of spades are 13 divided by the total, which is 52. If we are looking for the probability of a club, it's also going to be 13 because there's only 13 club cards divided by the 52. All right. Now, what about if we are being asked to calculate the probability of drawing a black card? It's going to be, how many black cards are there? There are 26. There's 13 and another 13 divided by the 52, which is half. I hope you can see what is going on. Now, what if we are told to look for the probability that you will draw a queen? Now we know, then what is the number of queens in the cards? We have a queen here. Can you see that? There's also another queen here. We have a queen there and another queen here. So there are 4 queens. The 4 queens divided by the total number of cards, which is 52. I hope you see where we are getting at. So basically, I feel like the deck of cards is not as complicated as we think. Imagine to say you draw a red 6 card. You draw a red card, which is basically 6. You draw a 6 and it's red. How many cards are 6 and red at the same time? It's only this one and that one. This 6 here is black. This other 6 is also black. So you can draw 2. It's possible to draw 2 of these 6 red cards divided by the 52. So I hope this helps. This video is about the deck of cards experiment, and we know that the deck of cards has 52 cards, which is a total of 52 outcomes. And then we know the heart is red, has 13 cards. The diamond is red, has 13 cards. The spade is black card, has 13 cards, same as the club, which is a black card and has 13 cards. So don't forget the formula. The formula is that the probability of an event is equal to the number of that event divided by the total outcomes. And that's what we have used primarily throughout this particular video. I'd like to end here. If you have already subscribed, Thank you for helping support this channel. If you haven't, we will need you to do us a great favor by subscribing. This way, we grow this family channel together and help make tutoring easy and comfortable. At this moment, I would like to end here. I'll come to you another time. Take care and bye.